What's up, y'all? Yo, today is gonna be super fun. I made this little FPV plane, you see right there? Well, I didn't make the plane. I got a little FPV cam on there. It's analog. I just took whoop guts. I just took the guts from a Mob 7 and just kind of strapped it on the plane. Also, I've never flown a plane before. I did do some tests to make sure everything works right and the plane set up and all of that. Today I'm going to prove that you don't need any experience to fly stuff as long as it's FPV. I think I'm going to prove that right today. Hell yeah, stick around, it's going to be fun. So yeah, a little bit about this plane. It's a UMX E-Flight Turbo Timber Evolution. And I just, there's like this little magnet canopy thing on there and the batteries go in there. So what I did is I just took a Mob 7 board and just kind of threw it in there, put some tape around there so it doesn't short out on the board or whatever. But yeah, it's super small and it takes off in like a foot. Alright, well I'm here. As you can tell, the skies are a little gray. It's been raining like the past 2 days. It's not raining today. There's only like a slight breeze, but it's like the rest of the week it's gonna be really windy. So I found this little area here. Perfect spot to test this out. So first I'm gonna fly FPV, and you'll see that. And then I'm gonna fly line of sight, and my goal is to take off and land. Take off and land FPV, take off and land line of sight. It'll be fun. I only have 2 batteries, but if this works out the way I want it to, I want to do something else more fun with this plane in another video. So you'll have to stick around for that. But yeah, here we go. Go. I have no idea how this is gonna work out. Flaps on. Flaps all the way on. In the goggles, here we go. Oh yeah, that looks so cool. All right. Yeah. Yo, this is so awesome. A little windy. I've never flown an RC plane before, just so you know. And it's flying surprisingly well for how windy it is. It's kind of windy. Let's see if we can bring it in for a landing. Well, I mean, we landed. Just a little bit damage. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay. All right, so I'm having a little bit of trouble. There's all this bullshit in there. I don't know if you can see. And this little canopy wasn't really. It's just held on by magnets. There's just little magnets in there. So trying to get it all to fit in there. It's a little tricky. See, I think that proves it. I think I've already proven the point, but this is fun, so I want to do it again. Fly super slow, so let's see. Okay. trying not to crash here. It is a little windy. Let's reduce flaps. That should help. There we go. Still a little iffy. Still a little iffy. It's a little different than flying a quad because you got to remember to keep the throttle kind of going. I don't know the range on this either. Yeah, because Spectrum is really bad for range. Let's see if I can bring it in for a better landing this time. Ah! Okay. Bringing it in. Bringing it in.
RF signal critical. RF signal critical.
Yeah! I'd say it's good landing. Okay, let's taxi it back. The wind's trying to take it. It's a really light plane. All right, line of sight. Here we go. The plane can see me. Hi, plane. Hi. Topside landing. Yeah, taxi it home. Yo. All right, let me get this unplugged. Obviously, this isn't a first or anything. People have been putting little FPV cams on planes for a while now, for a long time, actually. This has got to be like some of the most fun that I've recently had. It's the only thing I don't like about these planes is there's a lot of fiddly stuff with them. Like this tail, you can see it's like cocked like that. That could be from maybe the crash or something, but there are mechanical adjustments that you can do. That's FPV plane. Also, these super tiny. Look how tiny this plane is. Look how tiny it is. If you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching. I hope to do more with FPV plane. I have some ideas. I got to work out some kinks with it though. Obviously, as you saw, some trims and stuff like that. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Hell yeah.